Jai Hind students. Now the next topic is how we can determine price of an commodity or goods. For that, Marshall rightly said that if we cannot cut the paper with one part of scissor, if we want to cut a paper, it should be we have to use both part of the scissor. Without one part, we cannot cut a paper. In the same way, if we want to determine price of a commodity, it should be both part, that is demand and supply both. With the help of one part, whether it is demand or whether it is supply, we cannot able to determine price of any commodity. Now, we know the relationship between the price and demand. I will tell you with the help of diagram and table how a price of the commodity is determined. See, this is the first you have to go to the table. In this table, this is demand, then price, then supply. When the price is 200, then the demand is 1000 and the supply is 5000. When price decreases as 2000 to 180, then because demand is decreasing, then price is decreasing, so demand should increase, so demand increases as 2000. And oppositely, when price decrease, supply will decrease, so it will be 500 to 400. You see, when it goes 180 to 160, the demand is 3000 and the supply is also 3000. So what will the price? Price will be 160, where the demand and the supply will be equal, right? So here you can see the relationship. Price is decreasing, supply is decreasing, price is decreasing, demand is increasing. Okay, and this is 160 is the price where demand and supply is equal. So here you can see with the help of diagram we can also able to get it. This is the demand curve which is going downward, which shows the negative relationship between price, and this is the supply curve which is upward side, which shows the positive relationship between price. Both intersect to each other in E point. It means demand and supply is equal to E point, and this is the point where price will decide. So if the commodity is X, so the price of X commodity is P star, and the demand where the demand and supply is equal. Okay, so with the help of demand and supply, we can able to determine the price of the commodity. If you want to write this answer, so what you have to do is you have to tell first what is demand, then what is supply, then the intersect of these two curves with the help of table. Okay, be safe. Jai Hind.